in the refrigerator, what do I see? Some fucking cheddar cheese and ketchup musty. All in the refrigerator, got some fucking croutons. What the fuck is up there? I'm a fucking retard. All in the refrigerator, got some fucking eggs with a damn bacon. This is fucking sausage. Bullshit, there's a sausage. All in the refrigerator, got some fucking cheese. Yeah, just got cheese. I don't know it. All in the refrigerator, got some pepperoni, and then I got more cheese. What the fuck I got all this damn cheese for? All in the refrigerator, got some spoiled salad. Throw that shit on. Nasty ass salad. All in the refrigerator. What the fuck is this in this bowl? Banana pudding. Alright. All in the refrigerator, I got 2 pies. Leave them right there before I get my ass beat. All in the refrigerator, got some hot wings. All in the refrigerator, got a portable charger. My phone dead and it just fell off. You happy now? You gonna stay standing? Thank you. All in the refrigerator, gotta get a nasty ass water and a stank lemon. All in the refrigerator, got some fucking meat. All in the refrigerator, got some fucking icing. And I'm putting that fucking icing right on the icing. All in the refrigerator. Cheese. Who the fuck got all this cheese in there? All in the refrigerator, got the fucking soy sauce. When we eat Chinese food for my soy sauce. All in the refrigerator, got a fucking lime. And the drink in this bitch. All in the refrigerator, got some syrup. That shit got hair dye with syrup. Why the fuck is hair dye in the fucking refrigerator? Look, it's in the refrigerator. All in the fridge. Yo, it's your boy DC. You know, I had to give y'all the 2.5 year late part 2 to the refrigerator rap. Oh, it wasn't that good. But you feel me, self, no point. Don't like and subscribe. What's up?